Some forms of contamination can't be washed away, and detailing clay is required to remove bonded contaminants. If your paintwork feels rough after washing, you have bonded contaminants. After washing and drying the car, take a piece of clay and flatten it out into a pad. Apply some rapid detailer to the clay and then spray some on the car, ensuring the area you're working on is saturated. Place the clay on the paintwork and with minimal pressure, move it over the wet paintwork in straight lines. You'll notice that the area soon feels smoother and that the clay glides very easily. Remove the residue with a microfiber cloth and move on to the next area, overlapping slightly to ensure all paintwork is treated. As you move around the car, ensure you only ever work on a lubricated surface and periodically knead the clay back into itself as it becomes dirty. Once the car is fully clayed, it will be very smooth to the touch and ready for high definition cleanser or a coat of polish and wax. The surface detailing kit removes all bonded contaminants from your paintwork, allowing for a deeper, more durable shine.